So, let's be real. Trying to meet someone new is frustrating. I mean, seriously, aren't you tired of being single? Sure, you could always try clubs and bars. But let's be honest, clubs are filled with the wrong people with the wrong intentions. Not to mention the ridiculous time and effort it takes to get ready. So, you take a chance and try online dating. But all you find is a brand new selection of creepy people hiding behind their computers. And who has time to sit there and filter through all those unwanted messages from the good ones? More importantly, you never know who could be talking to you on the other side. What you need is Velidate.com, a safe and simple way to meet real singles in your area. It's a free dating site with no fake profiles, no wasting money, and definitely no creepers, which is exactly what you're looking for. The site validates the user's profile information through a fast and simple registration process. Registering alone verifies your profile up to 50%. That's because Velidate simply uses social networks to verify a person's profile. If that wasn't enough, a user's profile is given a score based on the number of people that verified their profile. The higher the score, the better it looks for you. It's optional and another way Velidate puts you first. Velidate also helps to ensure that the first message is thought out and not an annoying mass message. We do this by using a coin system. Sending a message will cost you a coin. However, the coins are absolutely free to collect. So, what are you waiting for? Connect with real people on Velidate.com because we believe in providing real information so you can make the right decision about your love life.